true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away.
Everybody, listen up! There's a water storm!
Make my heart race and lose my every word. Every second I'm with you. We'll turn all the pages, check off all the places. Every day is something new. Don't that sky look blue? It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Let's not miss our chance. Come fly away with me. Don't you want to live out your wildest dreams? 'Cause right now, we've got everything that we need. No time to waste, no better place to be. 'Cause we could wander as far as the eye can see. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be if life was an open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown. Today is too short not to take every chance. And I think we should do it all while we can. So follow my lead, pick up your feet and dance. It's never too late to tear out the page. Let's make a change of plans. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be if life was an open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown. Yeah, I wanna take you with just as long as you're with me. I wanna take you, we can go anywhere. I wanna take you, we can go anywhere. I wanna take
Max is gonna go down the water slide.
Or not!
Yeah, huh? Here, come here. All right, Eli. Let's see you.
Just get down here and slide all the way down the water.
What do you think?
No!
No?
you. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in it. Let's get lost. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be if life was an open road. Come on
cool.
Wake up, the world is smiling. Got the sun on my side today. Nothing can stop me shining. Feeling lucky in a big way. Soaking up every moment. Throw a cherry on your Sunday. Hands in the sky wide open. Yeah, I just wanna celebrate. Life is better on the bright side. Got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side. Out here the grass is green. The sky is always bright blue. The ocean's a little deeper, if you can see it like I do. Can't think of nothing better, so come up, enjoy the view. Feels like the perfect weather for every dream to come true. Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side. Life is better. It's better on the bright side. Life is better. Better on the bright side. Life is better. So much better on the bright side. Life is better on the bright side. Bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. Life is better. I see it all in a new light. Life is better. So much better on the bright side. Life is better on the bright side. Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side. Life is better.
What do you got, Kaden? You in and out?
That was strong.
How's your burger? Show me what you're eating.
I got her one.
Ooh, that looks yummy, buddy. Okay, it's too close. You feel like you're in California?
There's pumpkin chocolate.
Have you had any of yours, man? How is it?
I haven't eaten them.
Oh, you haven't? Really? Tried yours?
But it drives in the cheeseburger.
How is it, Eli?
It's not staying in my mouth.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to wait a while. I couldn't get it to come out either. You might be drinking on the way home, buddy.
Frozen.
Yeah.
Gotta wait. Eat the food first.
Let's see if it's as good as we said.
That's frozen.
Life is better on the bright side.